Bonjour, je suis une camarade japonaise. Je m'appelle Yashica.
Oh, hello. Je m'appelle Jean-Pierre Robert Pierre. I'm French. When I'm not spending my time drinking the wine, making love magnifique, riding my bicyclette, I'm on strike. Or I'm selling my things on eBay. I own many things, you know. But today, aujourd'hui, I am selling cette camera. It comes with an auxiliary lens, a separate rangefinder for the lens. It comes with a manual. The manual, let me tell you, this manual is amazing. Like page 17, exposure control. The appearance of the red arrow. There's a red arrow on top of the camera, it's genius. Signifies too much light, you know? Turn the aperture ring in the direction until the arrow disappears, it's genius. If it fails to disappear, a neutral density filter should be used. And the ASA film spinning reel should be set accordingly, you know. This is genius. What's this?
Buy me.
The camera, listen to the camera, regard. Buy me. Buy this camera, buy this camera.